Welcome to Mo Heroes TV. Today I am grilling on the grill. So this is going to be a short video, but I want you to see how Mo Hero get down on the grill.
Roman numeral 7 days, grab it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, grab it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a lot, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got it all, doors slow. Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my slow. Body down, wrist, close. Check time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. Holidays, she only do what she knows. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see you this way. I trust you, I love you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. Why are you coming for it?
See how we're looking right now. Oh my God, look at it. Woo, wait, I can't wait to get some of that. Yeah. The chicken looking good, the pork chop looking good. Just spray a little. Yeah. It's beautiful, y'all. All right, back to the music.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I'm good enough. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love.
is about to be finished. I got the duck with me.
Hi. I just got back from after school, by the way.
Yep, I got the duck and she's helping me with this.
That's a skinny chicken.
Last time it was
Sorry.
Man. Now it's the duck.
Yeah, the duck is back in the house.
And duck is the only duck that matters.
Mm-hmm. Just like my hero is the only hero that matters.
Yeah,
You got it?
I got it.
Look, I can't wait to eat a chicken.
You gonna get it? Hold on. Look at that. Ooh. This is the Mohero chicken.
What's that right there?
This is right
No,
here.
yeah, that.
This is pork chop. That's what it is pork chop.
That's a small pork chop.
That's mama's. This is my steak right here. Look at that.
Ooh, let me get these.
You don't get no steak, girl. What's wrong
Sharing
with you?
is caring.
I don't share and I don't care.
Y'all, he don't like to share.
Nope. Look at that.
Mean.
I'm a meaning. This is sausage.
Is it hot?
Nope.
No, I like hot sausage.
All right, you about to. Oh, look at that. I can't do my camera work. There it is. All right, boom.
Boom,
Put that right down here. Yeah, drop it right there. Drop it like it's hot. Yep, right there. We'll be back. My secret. This is not beer, y'all. This is apple juice. Yeah. I spray it down real good. Here the sausage get sprayed down. Apple juice? Yeah, apple juice. That's how we do it. Ain't that right, Duck?
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Say it again.
That's how we do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how we do it.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels killing me. Body you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be off to lose.
Okay, y'all, this is the final results. Look at it. I have rib eyes, chicken, pork chops, sausage, and more chicken. Oh my. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe. And once again, I'm the only hero that matters.